The Subway Summer Surf Series has been a huge success. It's a really important pathway for Australian junior surfers to lead on to greater things.
Yeah, this Subway Series has been a really good experience for the kids. A great stepping stone for them into the next pro junior levels.
I love surfing because the thrill you get when you're on a wave, you can't get that in any other sport, and the adrenaline is just unbeatable.
Getting experience through these comps is really important to me to get confident with surfing. It's always a fun event and you get free subways, so that's the best part about it.
Can someone do something outrageous? Here we go. Boom. Lovely little reverse. Hello. Shut the gate.
Yeah, it's sick. I reckon it's a great event. It's a good opportunity. It's also counted in the world selection, so it's worth going in.
Got really lucky. Feel super stoked. Yeah, exhilarating.
I don't know what it is to me. I think I'm just addicted to it. Eat fresh, surf hard.
Surfing is so important to me because you can just do what you want in the ocean. You're free. There's no rules. Yeah. Eat fresh, surf hard.